Taiwan has received its first shipment of the Novavax COVID vaccine. More than 500,000 doses destined for adults arrived on Thursday. Unlike the Moderna and BNT vaccines, which were created using a brand new technology, the Novavax vaccine is made with a more traditional technique. This is something the company's chief medical officer thinks could win over vaccine holdouts. Some doctors also say it has milder side effects. Taiwan has ordered more than 2 million doses in all, which should arrive by the end of the year.